Hey, what's going on, fragrance lovers around the world? My name is MJ and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a quick unboxing for a purchase I've recently received. Bond number 9, the Scent of Peace for him. This is a tester bottle, no box or cap. However, the owner was kind enough to include a cap that fits over the bottle. If you're interested in where I purchased this from, I'll leave links in the description down below. Quick shout out to the GCFE community as well. You guys are amazing, and thank you for including me into your community. The packaging it came with was very strong, very secure and sturdy. I honestly don't see any problems with how it was sent out. Honestly, it was one of the best packaging I've ever seen. So like I brought up before, this is a tester bottle. This is not the original box that it comes with. It did come with the little black bow, which I'm very happy with. Overall, I'm excited to look at this fragrance and hold it in my hands. And another thing is that we'll be doing a breakdown of the scent. Wow, this is a very beautiful bottle. I'm actually so happy that I got this. I ran through my decant really fast. I think 10 mLs within 2 weeks. So I'm very glad to have the full bottle. So here we have the top notes of pineapple, juniper berries, and bergamot. The middle notes had me surprised but blends in extremely well. Base notes are as follow. So what are my overall thoughts? Projection, I'm going to have to give this an 8 out of 10, being quite strong. Longevity, I was seeing up to 8 to 9 hours with 2 sprays, adding one halfway into the day for a total of 3 sprays. The price point, well, if you can find it on sale, for me personally, I'd go for it. Even as a blind buy, I feel it's one of the safer fragrances from the Bond 9 collection. If you liked the video, please give this a thumbs up and a subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed this video. One love and take care.